Right guys, it's Kel, and today I've got a little update video and unboxing, which was from James Fender once again. I've already shipped his money out, but the reason I didn't upload the unboxing is somehow I've lost the footage. Don't know how. But yeah, first of all I'm just going to start with the update. Basically I've been doing exams at school, and I'm still doing, I think I've got like 1 or 2 more to do. 2 actually, yeah, RE and English. But since I've been revising a lot, I've not been able to do videos, but I can now, which is awesome. Still need to revise a bit more for English and RE, but yeah. So that's the update really, just like not been uploading. And the unboxing was of James, like I said. The first thing I actually was, well, this is my second unboxing from James. The first one was the Orc Wheels and the Flatfish G7Ds, which are up for sale, just the G7Ds. Yeah, so this is my second unboxing on him. He's super legit. He sent it first both times, so thank you, James. And yeah, that's what I got in this shed. So first of all, got a Timo Kranz signed deck, which at the moment is up here. Yeah. Then next I got Wydrux. You've probably just seen the deck now, but yeah, it's a Burleywood Timo Kranz graphic. I put some Skull Fingerboard blue bearing wheels on here, which I like. I'm still getting used to it because it's a new shape, but it's cool. I love it. I've not even been really fingerboarding that much recently, so I'm a bit shaky, but definitely going to get back into it. Don't worry, I've not quit. The trucks are a bit thrashed, but I did get the tool with it, guys. The tools, the hardware. There is one hardware, well, like one screw I didn't get with it. Yeah, just there. But it doesn't really matter. It's still awesome. These Wydrux are super, super nice. So I recommend getting some. Super responsive. But get it. Boom. Responding. So it's super nice decks. This deck pot is amazing. But yeah guys, I'm going to go now. I'm going to do some fingerboarding now. Get back into it. Probably use my Winkle Mini for a bit. Make a bit of DOS. So yeah guys, see you next time. Peace.